Ah, 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 ah. Have you ever had the kind of love where they call you names? And in their hearts, they don't seem to change. As they kick dirt in your face, making you feel hurt and a disgrace. Ah, 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 ah. Like a flash of lightning, love came into my life, my life. I'm not thinking twice, I know that sometimes love can be frightening. Just like a flash of lightning. Ah, 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 ah. That was me many years ago, as I rewrite a new love story that I know. With the wedding as we go, my bride is by my side as we're on this love ride. Everywhere we go, she makes my life a glow. Ah, 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 ah. Like a flash of lightning, I know better now. Oh, so much better now. I found a real love somehow. Now as I give God all the glory, He rewrites my story as lightning flashes from east to west. I'm gonna give my wife my very best as our love is put to the test. Ah, 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 ah. Words written, song produced and mixed by Pointer Radley. All rights reserved. Copyright Lightweight Productions. 2026, the 19th of the 3rd, 2026.